can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose the best moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't when I'm with you.
Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday and we're gonna be doing a little bit of a maintenance vlog. I don't have too much maintenance to do, but my boyfriend's birthday is this Saturday and I just want to get a little cute for the birthday, even though it's not my birthday. I'm actually throwing a little birthday surprise, like a surprise decorated hotel room vibe for him. We're also gonna go out for his birthday, stuff like that. It should be nice, it should be a vibe. So I'm gonna be filming my maintenance. It's 7:48. I just got home from work. I'm about to go in the shower and wash my hair. I need to do my hair. I've been meaning to do my hair for the past like 2 weekends now. I'm off tomorrow. We're gonna wash it today so that we can just do it tomorrow and get it done. And we only have 4 days left before the birthday.
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could've worked it out. But I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
Today is Friday. It's 7:58 p.m. I just got home from work. Last time I talked to you guys was on Monday. I don't know, at the beginning of this week though. But I had my lash appointment booked for Wednesday, which I did get my lashes done. I'm upset at myself because I didn't record on the day right before my lash appointment when I should have been recording. I was just annoyed, honestly. It's just things happening back to back to back. And I was just annoyed and I'm like, I'm over it. But I did film out before my lashes, so you got the before and this is the after. But anyways, as you can see from my hair, I keep touching it because it's so puffy at the top. Like, I don't like that. So we're about to do my hair. This is the before. You could barely see the scalp other than my center part.
Something bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in a household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into.
It's 11:21 and I'm finally finished with my hair. Look at her. Okay, scalp. I think that took a little over 3 hours, but we're finally finished and I think I'm ready for bed, honestly. But I look really pretty now. Hair, lashes, brows, the combo. Check-in for the hotel isn't until 3 p.m. I still have to pack a bag because I'm gonna be getting ready at the hotel. Like, I'm going there, gonna set everything up with my 2 little sisters. I'm getting them to help me because crunched for time. I'm gonna get ready while I'm there and then we're gonna leave, come back to the house. He's gonna meet me at the house and we're gonna go to dinner and then we're going out with his friends and family. We're gonna go bowling and then I'm gonna bring him back to the hotel after and that's when he's gonna see the whole surprise, the whole shebang. So yeah, I want to set it up before and pretend like I've never been there. I'm like, oh, let's check in. But really, my nails are already done. I did my nails in the last video, maybe 2 videos ago, but nails are done, my lashes are now done, my hair is finished. We're gonna do the toes tomorrow. What time is it? 11:25. I'm going to bed. Good morning. Today's Saturday and today's Bae's birthday. It's 9:14 in the morning and I'm about to head downstairs to the basement to go and do my toes. My toes are bare right now. There's nothing on them. I'm about to call him and we're gonna watch Bel-Air together. If you guys don't watch Bel-Air, you definitely should. It's like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, but they made a remake of it and it's actually really good.
Remember that last time I made you miss your champagne? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
We're gonna start on making this gift, putting together this little basket. I went to the store the other day and I bought a bunch of his favorite snacks and candies and stuff like that. And we're gonna be making him a little birthday basket. So I got all the goodies in here. And I also got him some new socks because he was just saying that 2 things that he really needs right now are socks and some marinas.
I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too.
The gift basket is finished. And honestly, now that my toes are done, I'm pretty much finished with all my maintenance for this video. You guys saw my nails in a previous video, so that's already done. I got my lashes done. My toes are done. My hair is done. So this is pretty much the end of this video, but I will show you guys the final product of the decorated hotel room. So I'll show you guys how all that comes out. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the rest of today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next Friday with another new video. Bye. Stay tuned to the decorated hotel room. I'm up in the room. He's in the parking garage, parking the car, and I told him I need to run in and go pee, and I'm gonna go check in. So this is the room. This is what me and my little sisters set up earlier.